Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, 2007 Jeep Wrangler. Oh, look at the colors and the beauty of those cars. Yes. Okay. Let's see if we can add a key. Don't wait till your key become like this. Okay. I'm gonna turn the air conditioner off. I just want to get rid of this light. Okay, let's go ahead and see if we can do it quick. Accept. And I want to see if we'll be able to do it. Okay, program is disconnected. Okay, confirm is connected. Yeah, I don't need program, so I am in the wrong place. Okay, let me go back here. Imo. Accept. VIN. Auto detect. You need to get green here too. Say okay. And this is a manual key, so I don't believe we need anything on it. Only the chip. Say okay. It is a manual key, no door lock, unlock. Yes, it's all manual. So this is the pin code. It's generated automatically. Just hard function. Okay, no, that may not help because I don't know which one is that, type 1 or 2. I'm gonna scan it, then I'm gonna add a key. It doesn't matter when you go to add a key, it will add it automatically. Add a key. He asked me also type 1 or 2. I will say 1. So let me see. If it's 1 is okay. Or do you want to learn the pin code? No. Say okay. Say okay. Okay. You see now it stays steady and then it will go off. Set. Five keys. No. That's it. So I'm gonna push the clutch because this is, and I will start it. No door lock unlock. No horn. Because this car doesn't have nothing. Only security.
Magical.
Manual.
The reviews are it.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.